The Candy Fair Adventure. Once upon a time, in a colorful town called Matsal, two best friends, Ali and Sarah, went to the great candy fair. At the first stall, Ali bought 125 candies for his friend. Then he saw another stall with his favorite chocolate candies, so he bought 132 more. How many candies did Ali buy in total? First, 125 plus 132 is equals to 257 candies. Ali smiled. Wow! I have 257 candies now. Meanwhile, Sarah had 300 candies in her bag. She gave 125 candies to the little children at the fair. How many candies are left with Sarah? 300 minus 125 is equals to 175 candies. Sarah has 175 candies now. Sarah said, I still have 175 candies left to share. At the end of the day, they put their candies together. Ali had 257 and Sarah had 175. They added them to find the total. 257 plus 175 is equals to 432 candies. Wow! Shouted both friends. We have 432 candies in total. Let's share them with everyone. And so, Ali and Sarah learn about addition, help us find totals, and subtraction, help us find what remains. All while spreading sweetness and smiles around Medsel. Thank you.